Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make my signature steamed brownie birthday cake. It is the moistest steamed brownie possible, filled with melted dark sweet chocolate, covered with fluffy classic steamed buttercream, and then decorate as a Purin, my favorite Sanrio character. I hope you love it, it's really fun. Let's get started. First off, we're gonna start with Purin details. Prepare the template, tap some greaseproof paper right on top, make sure it doesn't budge. And then melt some white and dark chocolate. You can use microwave or a double boiler, like what I did. Color them as needed, and start create the details. Using dark chocolate for the nose, her pretty smile, then the big round eyes. Using toothpick to remove any air bubbles. Continue with her lovely giant ears. Tap a bit so that the surface is even. And finally, her happy cheeks and tongue. Allow them to chill and set hard in the fridge. Preheat your steamer. And in the meantime, we can continue with our brownie butter. Oh yes, don't forget to prepare our pan first before start making the butter. I am using 6-inch stainless steel bowl for her face and 4-inch round plate for her head. You can pour some butter and sprinkle some flour to grease them, but I prefer to use my baking pan grease, which is freezes the cake perfectly every single time. Kindly find the recipe in the description below. Let's continue with the butter. Melt the salted butter and dark chocolate in a double boiler. Set aside until slightly warm. Then in the large bowl, we are going to mixing our eggs, sugar, and vanilla extract. Whip them until the mixture is pale yellow, thick and forms a ribbon. Beautiful! And then we are going to be sifting all of our dry ingredients into our eggs mixture. It's really a simple recipe, you just mix it in. And finally, we can pour in our warm butter chocolate mixture. Mix that all through until well combined. Using spatula, gently folding the bottom over the top to make sure there's no butter mixture left underneath. Alright, the butter is ready. Let's steam our yummy brownie. Pour about 4 tablespoons batter into the hot pan and half of the leftover mixture into the bowl. Tap it and place them in a steamer that has been preheated. Don't forget to cover the steamer lid with a kitchen towel so the water doesn't drip into the brownie. After 20 minutes, take both pans off the heat, set aside the head, and for the face, pour the 40 grams melted chocolate as a brownie filling. Spread it evenly, and then pour another half part or the rest of the butter on top of the first batch. Put it back to the steamer and steam for another 35 to 40 minutes. You can tell that it's done when the skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Take it off from the heat, remove it from the pan, and let it cool completely. In the meantime, let's make our classic buttercream with only 3 simple ingredients. So in a large bowl, I'm adding in the shortening, salted butter, and our sweet condensed milk. Mix it together for about 5 minutes or until it's really light and fluffy. Okay, it's look very soft silky now. I'm gonna split them into 2 batches. About 2/3 of the buttercream is gonna get a soft yellow food coloring, and the rest will remain bright white. Now it's time to design the cake. We are gonna start off by covering the head with the melted dark chocolate. Shake a bit to flat the surface. Place them in the fridge so the chocolate will set hard. And for her face, we will do the crumb coat with the white buttercream. It's really just a thin coat of buttercream to protect the cake from any crumbiness. Then I'm using my elastic plastic scraper here to help the smoothing process. It doesn't look perfect, but don't worry about it, because next step is to cover it with steamed buttercream. To cover the cake with steamed buttercream, start by fill a medium-sized saucepan, about a quarter full with the boiling water. And then place a heat-proof bowl with a yellow buttercream on top. Stir continuously until the buttercream is liquidy. You will see some of the oil comes out and separate from the buttercream. Don't worry, keep on stirring until the mixture incorporated. After we get the right consistency like this, now we can pour them onto our crumb-coated cake. Allow them to set up a bit, and then we can continue to decorate it. Using medium star tip, pipe some white buttercream on top of the cake, and then place the head on it. Decorate the cap with some more white buttercream. Take and insert our giant ears on each side of the face. And then for the sides, using small round tape, I pipe a tiny purse around the bottom part of the face. And to finish the details, I place her cute nose and pretty smile, the two big bright eyes, and finally, the blush on her cheeks. I'm pretty sure you can already see why I love this recipe and the method of decorating. Number 1, because it's super easy. Number 2, because you don't have to be a perfect cake decorator to be able to do this. It's a great way to decorate an impressive cake. And there you have it. Look at this. How fantastic. What a great celebration cake. And actually, this was my own birthday cake. Well, happy birthday! You're never too old for a cute cake. Why not? Character cakes are fun no matter your age. Perfect for your kid's birthday. Perfect for your birthday. And this cake customizable. You can create any design character you want. Look at all those layers. Melted chocolate and fluffy buttercream. This cake is so soft and moist. And the taste of chocolate is so gorgeous. Thank you so much for your support. I couldn't done without you. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and also check out my website for the full recipe. I'll talk to you all very soon. Take care guys. Bye everyone.